Good morning, my dear students. So, for class 8th, the chapter which we are going to start, that is energy. Open your books. So, first, the theme of the chapter in which we are going to study about a new term, that is gravitational potential energy. I know that all of you know about it, but we discuss this term in detail in this chapter and we discuss about kinetic energy. So one example is given here in your theme. When pendulum is moving, okay, when pendulum is moving, like this is the pendulum, it is moving like this. So when pendulum is moving, like it is at its highest point, when pendulum is at its highest point, that is point it's having gravitation potential energy. And when pendulum is at mean position, it is moving, but when it comes to mean position, it is having a high kinetic energy. We discussed this in detail. Now what we can see in this, that one form of energy is changing into another form of energy. You all know energy neither created nor destroyed. It is changing from one form to another. So that is what conservation of energy. The other terms which we are going to discuss, that is energy, work and rate of doing work, power. But actually in our daily life, in layman's language, we use these terms like interchanging with each other. Like at the point of energy, we are using the term power. At the time of power, we are using the term work. So in this chapter, we study that in detail. So the first which one we going to start, that is work. So first of all, we will clear about lots of things that where work is not done actually in terms of physics. Okay, you are pushing a wall. Fine, push or pull, we know. What is that? That is a force. That is not a work done. And next is reading a book. Like just now, I'm sitting on a chair and just delivering you the content. So I'm sitting here. So actually no work is done by me because I am not moving. So it's very important you move. When I'm not moving, no work is done. I'm speaking, I'm doing the things. Mentally, I'm doing work, but in terms of physics or in no physical work is there. So now the next what we are having here, I have drawn a pictures for you also. What is work? Work is actually when you apply the force and it moves or change its position. Like this is a pen. I applied a force on it, pick this pen up and place this pen here. So work is done. If this pen is lying here, no work is done. Okay? So if a force is applied on a body and it moves or change its position, then work is done. When no motion, no change by applying a force, no work is done. For example, you are pushing a wall. You applied your whole force on it, but actually wall is not moving. If wall is not moving, what physics will say? You haven't done any work. Okay. From day to night, you are reading a book. Mentally, you are tired, you are feeling sleepy, but actually, you are not moving. You are not moving, no physical work done. So, in terms of physics, no work done is there. Okay. Now, when work is done, cyclist paddling a cycle. Okay, a cycle is here. A cyclist paddling a cycle and take the cycle at this point. So, work is done. Engine pulling a train. A moving train on railway tracks, work is done. Coolie is lifting a load. I show you here. See, here is coolie. Load is here. Now coolie is picking up the load. He is bending down and picking up the load. Then work is done. But when he is holding the load like this, okay, then no work is done. Because if it's standing, it's not moving. Okay. Coolie is standing straight, holding a load. No work is done. A boy climbing a stairs. It's moving one step ahead. This is like the stairs. Boy's here coming at this point. At this point, the work is done. So when you are not moving, no work is done. Now a boy is pushing a heavy stone. A heavy stone is there. If he is able to move that stone, then work is done. If he is not able to move that stone, okay, he is holding a stone. If it's not able to move it like a single point from one point to another point, then no work is done. Either he applied the whole force of his body on that stone, but actually that stone is moving. You may feel tired, but stone is not moving. So what physics will say? No work is done. Okay. Work is also done by a force if a force applied on a body changes its shape or size. Like you're having some smiley ball, like you're having a teddy bear. When you press that changes its shape, so work is done. Okay, stretching a rubber band, I show you a ball is there, you're pressing the ball squeeze, work is done. A boy does work in stretching a rubber string in which it increases, it is stretched, the work is done. So you are applying a force. If there is no change in its position, if no change in its shape, then no work is done. Okay, so what are the conditions for work done? A force must act on a body. Force is very important, and that force must produce change in that body. Change in that body is like change in its shape or change in its position. So kindly read this content from your book till this point. Whenever we are having our Zoom class, I'll take your doubts in that Zoom class. Read till this. Okay, we will start our chapter further from this point. Thank you, beta. Have a great day. Stay safe. Stay home. Take care.